If you're thinking about becoming a mortgage broker later in life, you might be wondering whether you've actually missed your chance. And the truth is, mortgage brokering is one of the very, very few careers where age genuinely has an actual advantage to it. You see, most of the successful mortgage advisors enter the industry in their 30s, 40s, and even 50s when they first start. And they often outperform younger brokers because they bring real life experience, confidence, and stability to the role. Here's why mortgage brokering at 30, 40, or 50 is not just possible, it's actually often the best time to do it. You see, age is an advantage in this career. Clients want advisors who feel trustworthy, who feel grounded, who feel mature. And when you're older, you naturally just bring that. When you naturally bring life experience, you bring financial understanding because you've lived longer. You have better communication skills nearly always because, again, you've lived longer and spoken to more people. And you should be more confident, especially when it comes to the home buying process, because you yourself probably have already done it. You'll have more empathy because you've seen more things, and you'll have a lot more credibility as well because, again, you've been around longer. You see, people buying homes, especially first-time buyers, often prefer dealing with someone who feels experienced and reassuring. So you don't need a financial background at all as well, you see. Mortgage brokering is a career built on lots of different skills. Communication is probably the biggest one. It's hugely about communication. It's also about organization, making sure that you're on time and you know what you're doing and you're keeping on top of things. It's problem solving, so you're going to have to be dealing with cases and lenders and putting things together and solving puzzles, and it's all about that relationship building. If clients don't like you, trust you, and want to work with you, you're not going to get any money. You see, none of these are age dependent, and most people get better at them as they get older. So even if you've worked in something completely different, you can probably transfer your skills, and these are skills that are going to transfer across that do very, very well. One is customer service. It's hugely important in what we do within mortgages. Sales is another one. Obviously, it's a sales job. People don't think it is. Think it's an advisor job. It's not. It is sales, okay? You've got administration, so anything where you've had to key in documents, understand how that type of stuff is. Admin is heavy because we're in a regulated environment. Management is good. Managing yourself, managing a team if you're going to grow into the industry. Coaching is good. Coaching yourself again, or coaching a team, coaching introducers. And if you've worked within any form of kind of estate agency or property, always going to be useful because, again, you're going to have background in dealing with the industry we're in, which is property. These are often more valuable than raw financial knowledge. So training is actually simple at any age. CMAP, the qualification you actually need, is flexible, it's self-paced, it's 100% multiple choice, it is achievable part-time alongside work or family life. So most people qualify in a few months while working full-time. So whether you're 25 or 55, it doesn't really matter. The other thing is there's very strong earning potential regardless of your age. Mortgage brokering is one of the very few professions where your income is based on output, not on age, okay? Many career changes can hit 40 to 60,000 in their first year, 60 to 100,000 once they're established, and 100,000 plus if they've got strong protection skills and they know how to advise properly and they also know how to niche well. You see, older advisors often exceed this because they have a number of different things that younger advisors don't have. They communicate better, they build more trust easily, they're more disciplined, they have stronger networks, usually because they've been around longer. So your age in this case can actually speed up your success. So you can build a career that fits your lifestyle as someone who's older as well. So whether you're 30, 40, 50, mortgage brokering gives you flexibility that many traditional careers don't offer you, okay? You can work fully employed, that's a stable income. There are roles out there like Connells and Countrywide and places like that will do that for you. You can be self-employed, which is higher earning potential, and again, more flexible. You can work from home. You can work in an office. You could be part-time. You could work around childcare, other commitments. You see, it's one of the very few careers that is really adaptable in financial services. So I'd say that plenty of brokers actually start later in life anyway. It's extremely common for brokers to enter the industry after a previous career. Many that I've spoken to over the years and even worked with as a coach, they come from teaching, they come from retail, they come from the police, they come from hospitality, they come from other forms of sales. You see, age has never been a barrier, and often it becomes the strength. But one of the things you have to do if you are going to become a mortgage broker is you have to get your CMAP, and then you have to do what is known as CPD, which is ongoing studying. So if it's something you're interested in and you are something you're happy to do that ongoing study in, then check out this video on screen right now where I break down what that is, so you have a more idea of what this career is going to entail long term to see if it's something you want to do.